Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the accounts and apps aligned. Sign into the same Microsoft/Xbox account on your PC that you use on console, then install the Xbox app and Rockstar Games launcher and keep them updated. Once done, make sure cloud saves are enabled in both Xbox settings and Rockstar Social Club so your progress syncs. Also enable two-factor authentication to avoid sign-in blocks. These steps let your PC recognize the console account and prepare the game for cross-device access. Next, link your Xbox account to Rockstar Social Club, open Rockstar settings, choose account linking, and authorize the Microsoft/Xbox account. This is what ties your GTA Online progress to your profile. Then install GTA V on PC using the platform you own it on, Microsoft Store, Steam, or Rockstar Games launcher, and install any available updates. Once the game launches, sign into the same Xbox/Microsoft account and Rockstar Social Club credentials inside GTA. To finish, confirm the cloud save has uploaded from Xbox and downloaded to PC. Check Rockstar Social Club and Xbox app sync status before launching GTA. Once confirmed, load GTA Online and your profile should appear. If you see missing progress, relink the accounts in Rockstar settings, sign out of both apps, then sign back in and restart the game. If issues persist, verify your network, firewall permissions, and check Rockstar/Xbox server status. That one troubleshooting step often resolves sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.